So now in this video we're going to look at a switch-based AND gate. Right there we're going to use push button switches and a red LED. So I colored in red there, but that's off. That one is on. The terminology we're going to use for this video is on or off. When it comes to truth tables though, they use 1 and 0. So 1 means on or a number of other definitions, and 0 means off or a number of other definitions. But since these are mechanical switches, they are on or off, and the LED is on or off. Each one of the switches is an input. Typically one is labeled A, usually the first one, and then the other one labeled B. And so you can see the truth table right here. So as I said before, 0 is off and 1 is on. So if both switches are off, then no current can flow through. They are open, and for these particular push button switches, so no current can flow through. Current, when it comes to a series circuit, is equal throughout all the series components, and so we need to close both switches to make a path, and then all of the components will have current going through them. The LED drops some of the voltage, some voltage builds up, and the rest of the voltage goes across the resistor, and it sets the current through all 4 components. It's the same. So we got the truth table here. As I said before, if both of them are off, then the output is off. If one of them is on, if we just press one button but the other button is open, there's no path for current to go through. So the output will be off. And again, if the other one's pressed, output will be off. You need them both pressed, both on, for push button switches for them to be on. So here's the schematic symbol. Sometimes you'll see this symbol, and you'll usually see a part number, and there's integrated circuits that make AND gates or other logic gates. And so it's best just to use the number, integrated circuit, that they tell you. But there might be a switch-based form like this too. So you can see we got positive there. I got 5 volts at the power supply right there. No current going. I have current limited to 20 milliamps. So since we're using an LED, I don't want to put any more through that. So both switches are open. They're not pressed. The LED is off. If I press one, it's off. The other one, it's off. If I press them both, then it is on right there. You can see we complete the current path right there. So that's it for this video. Short and sweet. Hope you still enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos that I posted to the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.